Namaskar, my dear students, parents, guardians. I am back to talk to you for a very brief time. Dear parents and students, I call upon all of you to become an active member in the celebration of Swachhata Pakhwada, a campaign by Government of India, which we are doing every year. So I expect that all the students, with help of their parents, under guardianship of their parents, will undertake several activities in order to bring more of the cleanliness to the house, in the society, and in the nation at large. I'll suggest you a few things that you may consider of taking up during this fortnight from 1st to 15th. Like, we can go for general clearing of all the unusable materials or dumped materials in the house, of clearing all those kind of articles which are not required, which can be used only as a trash. So we can remove that, we can be more efficient, we can feel better at home. Similarly, when we are there in the classrooms, my dear students, make sure that if there are some articles which you think are not fit to be used, bring it to the notice of the teachers, and thereby will remove it from the classes, so that classes are also very effective and efficient. You don't have anything lying there which is not to be used. We must take part in a bigger perspective. We must ensure that wherever we go, the place is clean, and we should contribute in cleanliness by not spreading the or littering the things which are waste. If at all we have to put some waste material, we have to put in the waste box or garbage box or dustbins. We also have to ensure that as a whole society, we become more clean, we become more inviting for the people who are from the outside, and we ensure that we do not tolerate any kind of uncleanliness around us. This can only be done when the students in the school, along with the teachers, along with the administration, and students in the society, on the road, in the market, in the temples, in the hospitals, everywhere, they are aware, they are sensitive about the cleanliness. Also, I'll urge and appeal parents to ensure that there is a culture of cleanliness in their families, in which my students, your own children, will turn out to be great change maker if you just help them, if you just motivate them, and that will be a great service that you will be doing to us, to the school as well. Thank you so much. I wish a wonderful fortnight, a clean fortnight, a very hygienic fortnight for all of us. Thank you. Namaskar.